You open your one.
Later.
I message. I say,
Later I ask
say,
this
"Ma."
one you give me He never say give mom. And morning I miss him. He also never say.
Nah, Sorotsky.
Slogi two cut inside. Slogi.
Then two kinds lah. Your one.
No, right. What? Only Slogi ni.
Yalah, every time give Sorotsky.
I think your one is earring lah.
Yalah, every time give me earring. You. Tudan.
Good one. And earring nice I also like earring. You open already.
Huh?
Earring.
Wow!
Wow, your earring so nice Wow. Yeah, nice
You diamond. Today.
Diamond No diamond
Nah.
Nice For me also I like.
Wow.
Why you buy for you like that? Mine are like very shaking.
Wow, the stone very big.
Hello? Wow, you wear this one because of your rich people.
This one's
you go
expensive.
Singapore to make a lot of money.
This one is expensive.
I don't want to see that.
Wow, so beautiful. Got my paper din. Ayan eh. Pwede ko ibenta po ulit. Kasi hindi ako mahilig. Ayan guys, diamond na naman. Mahilig talaga si Sir Ruby sa akin. As in, marami na talaga akong collection na Swan. Swarovski. Original Swarovski. Yung original na Swarovski. Original. Galing. Lagi yan sa may ticket sa pamilya. So, ayan. Tanggap naman tayo ng...
Got like slogi
Ha? Yala, so my one also have.
One for you one. Inside two Two this one.
I don't have me.
Don't have. So he want forget to put inside.
No, no lah. Your one is.
My right and your one same. Same two cut inside. Only solagi No lah, solagi
only
see
one.
No lah.
Oh, like this only.
Solagi Wow, he buy the earring very nice for you.
Yo, this one is expensive again. The last time also he buy me expensive also the one we go out we eat. Dati, meron ako mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo. May binili din siyang galang ng Swarovski worth 500. Basta 500 plus. Tapos may discount kasi yung time na yun, sabi ng babae, kapag binili namin yun, meron silang bigay discount. Basta 500 talaga siya guys. As in, ang mahal. Ang ganda. Pati ito, ganda ng reading. Ano kaya ito i-collect? Kasi gusto ko sa picture ng tuloy. Gusto ko. Hindi ko alam paano. Pati rin po ng ganda. Ang ganda naman ang pagkalit mo. Ang ganda ko lang sa words ko guys. Nagpahanap ko lang ang sabi. Marami talaga akong collection ng Swarovski. Palagi ako nagkakaroon na ang dami ko siguro mga nasa 15 na lahat. Collection kasama puntahin ko yung nandun sa anak ko. 15, 16. Pang 16 na yan.